Karen Jeffrey Live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox Delma Santiago ladies watch. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you the MRP of this watch is about 240 Omani Reals. That is equivalent to about 630 American dollars. We got it in an offer. We paid about 120 Omani Reals for it, so which was 50% discount. Okay, so let us take it. So guys, this is Delma Santiago ladies watch. So basically guys, this is a diverse watch. Okay, so you can see it is a twin tone. Okay, so it is steel and rose, it is in steel and rose gold finish. Okay, and the case size of this watch is about 37 and it comes with this rotary bezel, so which is PVD coated. Okay, and guys, this watch, it offers water resistance up to 200 meters, so which is ideal for diving and for swimming. Okay, so it has this sapphire crystal, and you can see the date is at 3 o'clock position, and this date has this magnifying lens, and you can see today's date in it, that is 17th of July. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much in this. That's pretty much in this. So before we end, I would like to tell you this is not an automatic watch. It comes with a quartz moment. Okay, so guys, this is Delma Santiago ladies watch. So guys, that's all for now. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.